guys, this is Sean Heather, and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Xiaomi 11T Pro that comes with 16 megapixel front facing camera, and it is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos at 60 fps. For videos there is beautification, bokeh mode and HDR provided as well, but if you use the bokeh effect or beautification, then resolution will be reduced to 720p at 30 fps, and if you use HDR, then the video resolution will be reduced to 1080p at 30 fps. You can even use the front microphone only to capture the sound with the video when you are using the front facing camera. You can also record time-lapse videos from the front-facing camera up to 1800 times faster compared to the rear footage. And you can also record full HD resolution videos at 240 fps slow motion. For pictures, we got the HDR mode, AI, we got the portrait mode, that is the combination of beautification, some bokeh effects, and also the cinematic filters. And we also got the panorama mode with beautification for taking pictures from the front cam of Xiaomi 11T Pro. So I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you're going to use this smartphone for taking selfies or videos, so how good or bad it's going to be in terms of quality. So just a quick demo of the front facing camera capability of Xiaomi 11T Pro. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.